Hello everybody, I'm Simon from Acorns Nursery and I'm going to talk to you today about numbers and counting. So we use numbers every day, and a really useful thing that you can do to support your child is to make them realise that numbers are a part of everyday life and not just something that you might do in the nursery with a teacher. In a previous video I talked about the importance of counting out loud, singing number songs and using collections of things to help children to count in the correct order. Today I want to talk about the relationship between objects, number words and symbols, and then suggest a couple of really easy games that you can play to help your child develop their counting skills. So objects, number words and symbols are really very different things, and this can take some children a while to understand. So I'm just going to move them out of the way for a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now these 5 things here, 5 objects, are very different from the word 5 and from the symbol for 5, and it takes time and experience to learn how they all tie together. And children learn that numbers are ordered by their size, in other words how much stuff they represent, and so 5 comes just after 4 because it represents one more thing, and 6 comes after 5 for the same reason, because it represents just one more. So these are the super simple resources that I am going to use today. I have got my egg carton, who I have to warn you is a very hungry monster, and I've got some of his favourite foods. He likes to eat white beans, he's got some yellow beans, and he's got some blue beans. Now you can see inside the monster's mouth I have got the number symbols 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've got the number words in the matching locations on the roof of his mouth, and I've got the dots to show the actual amount of objects as well. And so he's a very hungry monster, and there's a few things that you can do here with this very simple egg carton. The first thing you can do is very simply ask your child to fill up each space in the monster's mouth one by one. The monster says, yes please. So I take my beans, and in the hole that says 1 I drop in 1 bean. Munch, thank you very much. In the hole that says 2 I take 2 beans and I count them in 1, 2. And I can see that the amount of beans in that hole now matches the amount of spots. It shows the numeral 2, the symbol for 2, and at the top I can see the word 2 in the same place. And I can carry on doing that 1, 2, 3 for the number 3, and I can carry on all the way up to the number 10. Okay, and monster can eat all the way from 1 to 10. That's just one really simple game you can play.